to my channel. I am Rachel from Rachel Thrive, and I'm so excited that you're here. I am doing a project share today of this mini album that I created using these Simple Stories, Say Cheese, and Main Street lines. I had so much fun making this album, and it's just a really cool way to preserve any of your Disney memories, your photos, and things like that. Now, none of it is officially Disney licensed products or anything like that, but it is like Disney or magically inspired. Okay, so let's jump in. I created this book here, the shell of this, using chipboard. I had a piece of chipboard left over from when I ordered some scrapbook paper from scrapbook.com. They always include that chipboard piece just to keep all the paper nice and together so it doesn't get folded and messed up through the mail. But you can buy packs of chipboard, but I honestly just had this left over for that, and then I just put it to use. So what you do is you cut these are 3 separate pieces, and you put them next to each other, and then you glue this scrapbook paper on top of it, and then it folds. Well, you have to score it and all that. You glue the chipboard onto the scrapbook paper, and then you score it, and then it folds nice and neat like that. Now, this is like a traveler's notebook or TN style, so it has these like jump bands. They are just elastic cord, really. It says I Love Disney World right here, and I created this using the We Are Memory Keepers Crocodile and their eyelet setter. It was super easy to use, and it punches really thick material, so it was absolutely perfect. So let's dive right in. Okay, so when you first open the book, you have this little notebook, 3x4 little notebook or folder, I guess you can say, that's right here on the side. You can put a 3x4 photo or do some journaling in there. And all the photos in this album, all the photo opportunities, little sections, are going to be 3x4, 2x3, and 2x2, because that is a standard photo size. If you're a memory keeper, you know that, or you probably use those sizes because those fit perfectly on a 4x6 photo. Okay, so there's 4 albums in here, and I'm gonna pull all of these apart, or not pull them apart, but flip through them and show you. So this first one I made, I have this pinwheel here that I created with this paper and my Silhouette cut file. It just perforates these little edges for you so you can fold it and create this little pinwheel. This is also a cut file for my Silhouette. I've got some enamel dots from Say Cheese, and then puppy stickers from Say Cheese. And then I've got like what is it called? Like a foam sticker right there, double-sided foam. That way it pops up a little. There's a little bit of dimension. You open it up, and there's a 3x4 photo mat. And then I have these tags here, and you can put 2x3 or 2x2 photos in here. And you could also fit other little photos if you have some more 2x3s. These little pockets are a great place to put them if you have extra photos that just don't fit in the album in the designated areas. Now, this here is another 2x3 photo mat, but the idea is to have a little offset. That's why the sticker's in the middle. This is a piece of ephemera from their ephemera pack from the Say Cheese line, and then again some puppy stickers and enamel dots, and I created these the same way I created the other ones with my Silhouette. So this one's really fun. You open it up, and it has 2x2 photos, and then you have this love here. This is from a Paige Taylor Evans cut file. It's supposed to be stacked together. This is actually the inside, and it makes an outline that says love, but I use the insides. Like, these are like the negative spaces. I pop those out and use those there instead of using the actual outline. Okay, so you open this one up, and it's got 2 3x4s, and then you've got these tags here, again, for your photos. You can slip some more in here, and I added some baker's twine just to make it a little more fun, and I just put stickers, and these just like a 2x2 cut apart. And I got these tags. I made these with a Coco and Reno metal die, and I used the We Are Memory Keepers hole enforcement punch, or whatever it's called, to put those little things there. And I just got some stickers there. Then you turn it around, it's another 3x4 photo. This is a cut file, I believe from Say Cheese. If not, it's just like a general one on the Silhouette store. And these balloons as well. Puffy stickers. And then you open, okay, so this is another fun notebook. This is very interactive. You open this one, you've got a 3x4 photo. You have these 2x2 little folders. I made these out of the 2x2 cut aparts. I just cut 2 of them together and then folded them. And then in here, I've got another little, these are the 3x4 cut aparts, and I again cut just 2 together and then scored it there and added this little tag so you can put some more 3x4 photos or journaling in there, and it slips right in this pocket. So this little page is a pocket page, so you can turn that and you've got your 3x4 photo mat again, and this little folder has another 3x4 cut apart. So this one's super fun too. You open it, got some, I love all these interactive elements. It just makes this book so much more fun. Okay, so here's another one that has a little more interaction as well. So this is the front cover, and it's folded over because back here I have a little 3x4 pocket folder and some photo mats for 2x3 photos. You can flip this, you can slip that back in there. You open it, you've got some journaling and 3x4 photo mats, some more 3x4 photo mat, and a little pocket card there, a cut apart card there. So let's start from the beginning and open this up so you can see how it flows together, because I'm a big picture person. So you fold it, I mean, you turn it like that, and then again, you can take all of these out while you work on them or add more embellishments or what have you. They come out of this book to make it easy for you to work with without ruining the embellishments. You just like slide them, you just slide them in and out, just like that, and fold them over, and then they close. So yeah, that is my album. I'm so excited to give this to a friend. I made this for a friend, and I made 2 of them actually, and the skeletons were the same, but all the embellishments and stickers and stuff were different because I only had some of the like ephemera packs. I mean, it only comes with 1 die cut of each thing, so I had to make them a little different. But I already gave one friend hers, so this is going to another friend that are both Disney fanatics, and I can't wait for her to see it as well. So thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button so you can see more of these videos, and also go find me on Instagram at Rachel Thrived. I will see y'all next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.